Hi, I'm Hubert Hopkins, and I just want to share a little information about NeoSafe that I think might be really useful to you. Just to give you a little background, I was chief engineer on a nuclear submarine and also commanding officer eventually of a nuclear submarine. And I wish I had a product like NeoSafe for cleaning that last 5–10% of slippery oil residue that is just really hard to get off with normal products. The ability to make a deck 100% slip free and also with an environmentally safe product in a submarine with a closed atmosphere, that would have been a really valuable product to have on board. I mean, what could be better than that? So the powder form of NeoSafe makes it really versatile. You can use it in a lot of different ways. You can pick up oil. It adsorbs oil on the top of the surface, say of puddles, or oil and water mixture on a floor of a plant, a manufacturing plant. It works on basically all types of floors and can just guarantee you that it'll clean up that last 5% and make the floor slip free. It's great for cleaning parts and machinery, and that's something that we found is really an unknown byproduct of it. It's a super good parts cleaner, again, totally environmentally safe. And its reusability also makes it extremely high value. Now, considering the cost of just one slip injury in a manufacturing plant, the investment in NeoSafe as a preventative measure is just a drop in the bucket in terms of your operating costs. NeoSafe is really only called in after you've done a bulk cleanup with products like kitty litter or clay or pads. And once that's finished, then you want to do the very final cleanup with NeoSafe. So you're not using very much of it. And therefore, it's also, again, it's just a highly cost-effective product because you also don't need much to do just a really super job. Cleanup is so simple. You just pick it up, throw it in the garbage. I mean, it's actually that simple. There's no environmental rules for throwing away NeoSafe, even after it's absorbed oil. It just can't be more simple. Also important, vitally important, is there's no noxious fumes from this as there is in solvent type cleaners. And there's also no silica dust, which is cancer causing, of course. So just the environmental friendliness of it makes it a tremendous product for that final cleanup of oil spills. NeoSafe has my strongest endorsement. I strongly recommend you give it a try and see for yourself. Thank you.